The second thing to do is collect W-9. So you want to gather all your W-9s you issued during the year to your vendors. You may be required to produce Form 1099 NEC if you pay a vendor $600 or more for services. The information on this form is utilized to construct the 1099s you will send to the IRS to record the total amount you paid. It is usually ideal to have a contractor, freelancer, or vendor fill out a W-9 before starting any work or issuing their first payment according to best practice. So it's always a good idea before the contractor you hire to perform service for you, it's always a good idea to have them complete the Form W-9 first before you pay them. That way, you have all your information upfront and in advance. So you don't have to be calling them at the end of the year to try to get the information to produce the 1099 NEC. So it's always a good idea to issue them the W-9 before they start doing service for you.